Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. This video is especially for who have scooter. So many scooters rider doesn't know about this thing, which I am going to tell you guys. When you start a scooter, after that you pick up, then if it will comes vibration, you have to fix these things. You have to clean these things, which I'm going to tell you. The first thing is filter box. As you can see how much it's so dirty. And the second things, crankcase box. And the third things, need to clean pulley set and belt. So you have to clean like this also by liquid. As you can see, so many liquid, black liquid. And the fourth things, check the pulley set. Is it okay or not? If not okay, you have to install new one. As you can see, too much rusted. This is the reason of getting vibration. So I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like my video, give me at least one like. Thank you so much and have a good day.